Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have two quick and easy DIYs to share with you. My question to you is, does anybody else collect these little fairy garden figurines from the Dollar Tree? I I think I was obsessed with these at one time and just continued to buy them and buy them. And now I have an abundance of them and need to do something with them. So today I'm going to be doing, I will be using one of these candle holders from the Dollar Tree, and also these little magnetic holders. I think these are for like paper clips or pins or something like that. But we're going to make a little fairy garden magnet in there and make a little fairy garden topper for our candle holder. So with that said, let me move you down. We'll get started. All right. So because this has a little dip in it, I want to even that out. I'm going to be using this self-adhesive cork. So I'm just going to measure this. I just at one time could not resist all those little figures. They kept coming out with more and more, and I kept buying them. So they've been sitting in my container for quite a while, and I decided it's time. We need to do something with these. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Now I know that candle holder is for wax melts, but I really don't use a lot of real candles too much. I mean, I do have some that I like around the holidays, but I use a lot of battery operated, the tea light candles for things. So that's what I'll be putting inside of that when we're done. So I've got my little topper here. And I'll peel this off. I think this cork was from Dollar Tree. It's pretty thin. It's a pretty thin cork, and it holds. I've used it on some coasters and trivets I've made, but I found that after time it just loses its hold, and I've had to replace it. So just a little word of caution there. So I'm just going to give this a little extra with the glue, the hot glue. Oops. Okay. So now I have a flat surface that I can work with, and I picked this little tree. And then I have a little mushroom here and a few little figures. I have a little family. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hot glue them on. And then I'll be using some floral moss to put in the spaces so it looks like they're standing on grass. So let's see. We will just start placing these on, and then we will get them all glued. I just want to make sure everything that I picked will fit. Okay, I think we're going to be good there. Oops, I'll just turn that around so you can see. Yeah, that's cute. That's a cute little Alrighty, so let's get gluing these. I think now Dollar Tree's come out with some bigger fairy garden items that are really, really nice. I don't know that I will be purchasing any more. Besides these, I have others in a box. So these little tiny ones, though, these are cute for things. You can make little bowls. The little plastic, the little bowls that they sell in by the florals. Little terrarium bowls, I guess they would be. You can make a cute little scene like this in there. This is so simple. Very, very simple. Out a little. I have a little girl here yet. Get her on. Okay, so our little guys they're all glued on. Now I'm going to go around. I'm going to use some of this floral moss. Take some of this out of the package. I don't know how much I'll need. I'm just going to fill in these little spaces here. A little bit of this. That'll cover up the cork also. My glue webs. There we go. I like this floral moss. It's really easy to work with, and it covers very nicely. Here, get that covered up. A little bit in the back here. It's looking like a little forest. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there. That out of the way. I have a little tea light candle, so we'll see. I don't know if you'll be able to see how it lightens up, but there we go. There's our little fairy village on there. I think that turned out cute. Okay. And then for our next one, webs yet? Okay, so I have this little magnetic container. And for this one, I'm going to put some moss in here. I have the Spanish moss. And I'm just going to put some of this in just to give it a little cushion, I guess we would say. Okay, doesn't take much. Let me just be easier just to snip these off. Okay. And for this one, I chose this little guy's holding a welcome sign. I have these mushrooms, a little set of mushrooms, and then I have a couple little pieces of floral that I might stick in there also. So for these guys, I'm just going to set them in here. I just want to make sure that they will fit, and then I'll put a little bit of glue on the back just to keep them down. This little guy now. Okay, so there he is right there. I think maybe they do need a little bit of color, so we can use some of these flowers. Maybe just stick some of those in there. Give that a little bit of color, just like that. I'm going to glue this top. I'll just glue it around the rim, and then it will be secure on here. Okay. There we go. And there we have that one. So, let me bring you back. 2 quick and easy little DIYs using the Dollar Tree little garden gnomes. Here's our, there we go. That's how this one looks. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this. I sure enjoyed making them. So easy, so quick, so simple. So I hope if you have any of those, this gives you a little bit of an idea what to do with them. With that said, that's all I have for today. I thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, I welcome you. Thank you so much. If you have subscribed, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I thank you very, very much. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.